Oh! Here we go again. More random tech arrives. So we've got a few boxes. So we're going to go through some of this stuff, see what we've got. Here's the first one. What is it?
Digital loop tester.
It's a BT testing thingy.
Ooh. HP.
What we got in here?
Envelopes with money in. No.
Oh, Kingston locks.
Kensington.
Locks, yes.
Oh, no.
Oh, HPs.
Well, it might be Kingston. It's not as posh as Kensington.
Yeah, no, they're not.
And it's on the camera, I know. Upgrade to what we're currently using.
Oh. Is that a tape camera or a SD camera?
It is.
Right, next. The box says Tenvis iRobot 3, a wireless network camera. Is what's on the box in the box. Ooh. Yes, it does appear to be
Everything. Ooh.
one of those.
Big Brother is watching.
Should we set that in the workshop?
No.
So we do live streaming on the internet of what's going on in the workshop.
No.
Should we do that, Boney?
No.
What?
Big Brother and all that. No.
I don't think. But he doesn't like that idea. What do you reckon, Jacob? No.
Possibly.
You got another one of those.
Have we?
Should be another box.
All right. Well, that's all right, isn't it?
And then you have two
Two of those, have we?
This
Brilliant.
is new. Not sure what this is. Oh, some form of
Show the camera.
wireless hub, I think.
It's a piece of Cylon tech that was found on the flight deck of Battlestar Galactica in the first series.
It's an Express 3 cordless. What is it? Cordless what?
It's a radar detector, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah, for finding speed
Express-
cameras.
Battery powered 3-band radar detector.
Oh, for speed cameras. For you lead-footed people out there.
Ooh.
My arm. Cough, cough.
No, I never. Is that illegal? That's illegal, isn't it?
It's illegal. Well, it's not illegal to own them, it's illegal to use them.
Right. Yes, of course.
So when you've got that turned on in your car and it goes beep, 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 because that means PC Plod's just hiding behind the sign with his little radar gun. You should slow down to the national speed limit.
And a wireless mouse with the receiver.
Hey, that's a rarity, folks.
Microsoft
is-
wireless mouse.
That actually is a rarity, that we get a wireless speaker kit with its dongle.
Yes, for the first time, we have a wireless mouse with the USB dongle. So if you're ever donating wireless technology, please make sure it's got the little dongle that goes with it. One box done.
Ooh.
Okay. So we've got a box of laptops in various. So that's got an i3 CPU in that.
Doesn't appear to
Now-
have a screen.
We're after some. Oh, we just put a new screen in it.
It's a bit worn on the pad, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a Dell Ostro Core i5 first gen.
Mhm. An i5 Elite Book 2560 HP.
Lenovo ThinkPad with a second or third Gen i3, but quite a horrible mark along there.
We're going to harvest the CPU out of it.
A broken HP EliteBook, probably the same 2440. The chip is in there, so we're going to use the chip for another video coming up soon.
It seems we have bits of...
Ooh, we've got one for our Jurassic Park card box. Over here, Chris. Another one for the box. DVI, VGA, S-Video. It's going in there.
This is a dock for Asus
camera.
tablet.
Dock for an Acer. Okay.
Which
Not sure what to do with that.
I don't think we have. That's what it docks to.
Is that the... That's the tablet.
Well, what's left of it. So that would slot in there. Trying not to make a mess with glass everywhere.
Right, I see. What's in the box? I don't know what's in the box.
Ooh.
Some more goodies.
Ooh. An Xbox.
Xbox. That's got a loose top on it.
I think it's a hard drive taken out.
Right, let's clear the decks a bit here, Jake. A mouse with the dongle.
Oh, hey.
Things are looking up. Oh, we've got an abundance of mice now, following our recent video.
Another
competition.
wireless mouse.
We've got more wireless mice with the dongles. Do you know what? The planets have aligned on the wireless mice now. That's remarkable. Portable DVD writer, that'll come in handy. Excellent.
A Targus privacy display. So you can see Nigel. No, you can't.
What's that? It's a wireless. No, it's a. Oh, no, not wireless. It's come from Wheelers. I'm not sure what. Not sure what this is. I think we'll plug this in. Oh, I'm going to plug it in. Oh, excited. Right. I put it on this bench because if we blow the bench, we don't blow on my. And then we're going to blow this one. So, right. I'm going to put it on there. See what happens. Has he got a... Oh! Oh, it's a strobe. It's a strobe! So if you suffer from epilepsy, don't look at this now! Anybody, do you?
No.
Do you, Chris?
I do now.
Turn the light off. Quick! Oh, brilliant! On. Right. What are we going to do with that? What are we going to do with that? Oh! That's for checking cam belt timings, isn't it? It's come from...
No, they usually set to a particular speed. Or does it come from the garage?
Well, it's come from a place called Wheelers. That may well be a strobe tester for something or other.
Oh, Nigel.
Oh! 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 What's that? Oh, look! We're back in the 80s again.
You need to put it on your shoulder, Nigel.
Should we put that in?
That was in this box.
Was it in the box?
Other way.
Bomb.
It's other way.
What, that way? Oh yeah. Go Blaster.
Tune in next time.